I wanted to give you another video of a rental property that I just finished renovating after having it rented for 6 years. It was actually left in really good shape, but we decided to kind of go through and do some update. Some of the places are actually in really, we had to rebuild these whole stairs. They were rotted out after 15 years, but some of these places are actually in pretty good shape. Just slap a little paint on it, rent it, and that's what I try to do. But in this case, this particular house needed a pretty good upgrade after 6 years. This is the main living area. It goes into this open concept dining area and then kitchen. Now what we did was they had wallpaper, and we came in and put beadboard in, and we were able to tie it all the way in through the bathroom and then around the island, which was bare also. And then I used this same epoxy coating on the laminate countertops. These were god-awful, gaudy, green, marbly looking things that were just nasty. And then we've updated all the appliances to stainless, and then we did a stainless backsplash, which I think kind of tied everything together. This is pretty slick. So you can see I still got the plastic on the dishwasher. I tend to leave some signs so people can see that it's new. We put the new mini blinds, and these are those same ones that are cordless, so it's pretty slick. I had to replace this carpet when I first bought the place, so it's still in excellent shape. The master bedroom carpet is a little dated, but it's still in good shape. Now this has a really nice master bedroom bathroom. It's got the garden tub here that looks out over the woods, and a shower, and a pretty good size closet in here. This is a super quiet neighborhood. Very highly desirable for schools and everything else. I want to show you the back. We have this fantastic deck. It looks out over here. It's a big deck. And then I had actually installed a greenhouse, and there's a shed over here. And one other thing that's most people don't have is I'd put another water tank here for the greenhouse. Down the road I kind of have something in mind that this might be one of my children's homes. So I'm trying to get it set up similarly. And then this goes upstairs. And we have a second full bath upstairs. Oops, probably not showing that very well. And then you have a good sized bedroom. And because this is a Cape Cod, you have these dormers that are bumped out, and there's a lot of storage in here. In each one of these cubbies, they're just not air conditioned spaces. And then this is the third bedroom. This one's actually pretty large, and there's room right here where you can set up a little office. And then you go down one more level, and then we have a, I didn't mean to leave this door open. Then we actually have a bonus room down here, a huge basement level that's been partially finished into a man cave, and we got a pool table. I'm adding some more light because this has been just a really dark room, so I've got some LED lights. And you know, these are the kind without any bulbs. They're just integrated LEDs. So we're gonna probably quadruple the amount of light that's in this room, and it'll be super nice. Now, one of the other things we did, which a lot of people might not think about this, but I took metal roofing underneath the deck, and we made a covered porch downstairs. And this again is a very large area. And we added a brick walkway to kind of extend, because this was like a big mud hole, and then we put gravel off to the side. And so this has turned out to be a fantastic space for, you know, stay out of the sun, and it'd be easy to set up some a fan out here. But anyways, that's kind of what we got. Let me go out front and show one more time the front. I forgot, we also have a 2-car garage here. And unfortunately, we still have some stuff in here where we've been working. So I'm working on trying to clean that up today. So it has one spot for a large truck and another one for like a normal car. When we first bought this house, they had like green walls. It had green shutters. I've had to replace the roof on this house and the AC. But this is 1,700 square feet, not counting the bonus room downstairs. And I think I picked it up for $129,000. But this is a beautiful house now after redoing. I've got a bunch of maturing fruit trees. There's actually some plums over here we've been eating. The rest of these struggle because of the deer. That's another one of those GAF Timberline Home Depot lifetime roofs. I mean, I buy the materials from Home Depot. I got my own contractors to install. But anyways, I just wanted you to be aware that there were some fantastic deals about 2012, 2013. This house would go for about $220,000, and I bought it for $100,000 less than that. And collecting rents for 6 years. And so let me tell you a story. I was putting houses up for sale, and there's a huge glut where everybody's putting their houses up for sale thinking they're going to make a fast buck, and it's flooded the market. So nothing's moving unless you do a seriously deep discount. But guess what? Because all those houses are on the market for sale, there's no rentals. And so I've just jacked up my rents and put this on the market the other day, and my phone has not stopped ringing. People are now going to probably, well, let's see, I've got 4 applications already in less than 24 hours. And you know, you try to get what the market will hold. I got the other house. The people that don't qualify for this might qualify for the other one. So I'll probably get both rented just with one ad. Anyways, I just wanted to let you know the conditions in the market here in North Georgia. The things are slowing down for sales unless you discount your house, which I'm not willing to do. But rentals are probably the best I've ever seen. So anyways, I hope everybody's treating you well. I hope you're doing well. Do the best you can. God bless.